Hello guys, in this video we'll be discussing about Newton-Raphson method. One more question, important question we'll be solving. Okay, so Newton-Raphson method, in this we have to find the real roots of the given equation. This is a given equation. Okay, so first step is that you have to write f of x is equal to 0. Okay, what is f of x? That is function of x. One equation is given, right? That means you have to write it in this form. So I'll just write it. So given question is x square minus log base c x. You have to bring 12 this side and make the RHS 0. That's the meaning of this. Okay, make the RHS 0. So this is basically what f of x. Now moving on to the second step. Now observe here in this question the near value or the x naught value is not given. In the previous question we have solved, so in that nearest value or the x naught value was given, right? So in this question we have to find the x naught value. How to do that? You have to do one more step here. That means in place of x you have to put 1, 2 consecutive natural numbers you have to put. Okay, now observe here f of 1 if I put here, so you can directly do it in calculator itself. Okay, just you have to give the value. That means alpha x square, okay, this x square minus log base c x is there. That means here you have to use ln, not log. This is base 10. If it is asked base 10, you have to press this button, that is log. If it is asked only base c, you have to press ln button. So ln x is there, correct, minus 12. Okay, you have to press on calculate. Now they are asking the x value. We have to give x as what? 1. So I'll give x as 1. We got the value as what? Minus 11. So we got the value x f of 1 is equal to what? Minus 11. Okay, we got the values as minus 11. Now what about f of 2? Now f of 2, observe here, you have to again press calculate. Now in place of x, what you have to give? They are asking x value, you have to press 2. Okay, you have to press 2. We'll get the value as minus 8.69. So I'll just write it as minus 8.669. Okay, now next f of 3. So in place of, again you have to press on what? Calculate. Press on calculate. Okay, now press 3 x3, press equal to, you will get f of 3 value, that is minus 4.09. okay, now f of 4 will find out. So f of 4 value will be, again you have to press calculate. They are asking x value, give 4, you press equal to, you will get 2.69. 2.61. Okay, now the question comes in as why we are doing all these steps, because in the question the x naught value is not given. We want the x naught value to proceed further. Okay, so fine, how to find the x naught value? We are going on doing the one, putting x as 1, 2, 3. We are finding f of 1, f of 2, f of 3, f of 4, like that. So till where we have to do? So you observe here till f of 4 I have stopped. Why? Because you can observe here, see, this is what? Minus. We are getting negative numbers and it is moving towards 0. Okay, and from there it is going towards the positive value. Positive value is there, negative value is there. So it is coming from the negative value, moving towards the positive value. So where you have to stop? Till it reaches a positive value. Till there you have to stop. Suppose it has reached in f of 3 positive value, there you have to stop. In this case it has reached the positive value in the f of 4 case. Okay, so you have to stop at f of 4. Now which value you have to take? Now you have to think about x naught value. So x naught value depends on this, whichever value we are giving. So we have to see 0 lies between two numbers, right? So here one negative number will be there, positive number will be there. So in which case 0 is lying between two values? See here, this and this case 0 lies between these two numbers, right? 0 lies between what? These two numbers, minus 4.09 and 2.61, right? So 0 lies between these two numbers. So we can take either 3 or 4 as x0. So x0 will get it from this, not this value. We cannot take this value. This is the value of f of x. So f of x means x0 will be 3 or we can take 4. So for the exact or appropriate real root, we'll take the nearest value which is nearer to 0. So which is nearer? Minus 4.09 is nearer or 2.61? 2.61 is nearer, so it's better to take 4. We can take 3 also for the better, or we can say for the appropriate real root. So we can take 4. Okay, so we got the value of x0. So x0 value is nothing but this value. Okay, remember this f of x, this value is here to take, not the this values. This value is to confirm or is to check whether which is nearer to 0 or which number lies between 0. Which two numbers lies between this case, okay, which is nearer to this case. Okay, now proceeding. Now again we got the value of x0. Now what you have to do? Now just we have to proceed further. Now next we have to write the f dash of x. Again the same step you have to follow, f dash of x. So differentiate this with respect to x. So x square is 2x differentiation, log x is minus 1 by x, minus log x differentiation 1 by x, minus 12 differentiation is 0. So this is f dash of x. Now you have to write the formula of root and Raphson method. So x n plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn. Okay, now f of xn by f dash of xn. What is f of xn here? F of xn means this is what f of x. In place of x you have to place xn. That's it. So this is the formula you have to remember. Okay, now I'll just write it. So f of, now we'll do the first iteration. First iteration you have to place n equal to 0. So n equal to 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1, x1 equal to, in place of n you have to place 0, x0 minus, what is f of xn? F of xn means this is f of x. F of xn means x square, n you have to place it here. Okay, minus log base c xn, okay, minus 12. This is f of xn. Now f dash of xn will be what? This, in place of x you have to place f of 2 xn minus 1 by xn. That's it. Okay, 2xn by 1 by xn. Now just you have to place 0 here, so we'll get it as x0 minus log base c x0 minus 12 by 2x0 minus 1 by x0. Okay, now basic idea. So we got the final expression. Now you have to place x0 value here. Observe here, we have to place x0 value in order to find what x1 value. So x0 value we found out by this way, by this method. Okay, so x0 value we have taken as what? 4. So you have to place, in place of x you have to place what? 4. So how to do that? We can do it by calculator. So first thing you have to feed this what? Value, expression. Okay, you have to feed this expression. So what is the expression here? x0 square. So x0 is there, so alpha x minus, I'll put one bracket and this button. Okay, x square minus log base c. That means you have to use what? Which one? Ln. Okay, remember ln you have to use. So I'll just press ln, then x bracket minus 12, denominator 2x minus 1, then x. put whole bracket. Now you have to press calculate. You have to give the value. Okay, what value you have to give the value as 4. So they are asking x value, you have to give it as what? 4. So give 4, press equal to, we'll get the value as 3.6627. so this is the x1 value. So we got x1 value as 3.6627. okay, now you have to find the x2 value. Again, what you have to do, no need to feed the value again, just you have to give this value again in the x value. See, again you press calculate, you have to give, they are asking x value, so you have to give which value? You have to give x1 value, that is 3.6627, press equal to, you will get x2 value, that is 3.6460. again you have to press calculate. Okay, then again you have to give what? Again next you have to give x2 value. So first we give x0 value, then x1 value, then x2 value. So they are asking x, that means this value you have to give 3.6460. so I'll get it as, again I'm getting x3 value as 3.6460. okay, so I can stop it till here, because see, observe here, why? Because see, x1 value is this much, but in case of x2 and x3, these two are approximate, these two are equal, right? In 2 iterations, this is the first iteration, then second iteration, third iteration. First iteration you have to keep n equal to 0, second iteration n equal to 1, third iteration n equal to 2. So when you keep this, I'm getting second and third iteration the same values. You have to stop the process here. Okay, remember it. So what is the real root here? Real root is nothing but the root of f of x. I can write it as root of f of x is equal to 3.6460. so this is the final answer. Okay, you can write the steps, or you can directly find out the values. In writing the steps, you have to, for the second iteration you have to place n equal to what? 1. So write it here, x1, this becomes x2, then x1, here x1 again, x1, x1. For the third second iteration again, for the third iteration again x3, this becomes x2, and again you can write the all the steps, then you can do, or you can directly write x1, x2, x3 and find out in which 2 iterations the value is same. Okay, so that will be the real root, or the root of f of x.